Today we've got some interesting news about Google's upcoming Pixel 10 launch, and it's not the kind of update superfans were hoping for. Google has unexpectedly canceled a special Pixel Superfans event that was originally planned for late June. This event was supposed to give select fans an exclusive early look at the Pixel 10 before its official launch in August. But now, without much warning, it's been postponed, and not by just a few days or weeks. Google has pushed it all the way to September, which is after the Pixel 10 is expected to be available in stores. So, what happened? Why would Google cancel a high-profile event like this, especially when it was aimed at some of their most loyal fans? Let's break it down. The original event, known as the Pixel Penthouse, was planned as a private preview for members of the Pixel Superfans group. This kind of early, hands-on access is pretty rare from Google. That's part of why the announcement had fans so excited. It looked like Google might be planning a surprise earlier launch for the Pixel 10 series. Naturally, the timing raised some eyebrows. The event was set for late June, which led many to wonder, could Google be pushing the Pixel 10 launch forward? Was this going to be their way of getting ahead of Samsung's and Apple's upcoming launches? But according to multiple reports, the Pixel 10 is still on track for a mid to late August release. So while the early event seemed like a hint of an earlier launch, it now looks like that wasn't the case after all. Then, just recently, Google began sending cancellation notices to invitees. The message cited unforeseen circumstances as the reason. Instead, they offered a replacement, a new Pixel Superfans Insider event set for September 4th. Now here's the thing. By September 4th, the Pixel 10 is expected to be officially announced and possibly even available for purchase. That means this new event won't have the same exclusive vibe as the original one. It's no longer a sneak peek, it's more like a post-launch fan meetup. Here's what Google said in the cancellation message, and I quote, "While we're no longer able to extend invitations to the Pixel Penthouse event due to unforeseen circumstances, we're excited to offer you an exclusive alternative prize, an early invitation to our next event, Pixel Superfans Insider event on September 4th. So far, Google hasn't explained why the original event was canceled. No clear reason has been given. But some believe it could be related to internal scheduling or logistical issues. Maybe the phones weren't ready to be shown off yet. Or maybe there were issues with the venue or coordination. Whatever the reason, it's got people wondering, does this delay mean there's something wrong with the Pixel 10 launch? Could it be delayed too? As of now, there's no official sign of a delay. All signs still point to a Pixel 10 launch happening in August. But this last-minute change has definitely raised a few eyebrows. Even if it's not a huge deal on its own, it could hint at shifting plans behind the scenes. And it's worth noting, events like these are usually a big deal for building hype. They're a way for brands like Google to reward their loyal fans and generate buzz before launch day. Canceling this opportunity, even if it's temporary, might take away some of that early momentum. Still, not all hope is lost. The September Insider event may not offer the first look anymore, but it's still a great chance for superfans to connect with the Pixel team, ask questions, and get some hands-on time with the devices. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. The Pixel 10 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated Android phones of the year. With Apple and Samsung both making major leaps in AI features and camera technology, Google really needs to deliver. And that means the Pixel 10's launch needs to go smoothly, on time, with solid performance and a polished experience. So far, Google has been quiet about what the Pixel 10 will bring. But we're expecting more AI features powered by Google's Gemini model, improvements to the Tensor chip, and upgraded camera hardware. And if those rumors are true, it's easy to see why fans were so eager for that early preview event. The cancellation may have been disappointing, but it doesn't mean Google's in trouble. Sometimes plans change, but we'll be keeping a close eye on whether this small shakeup leads to any bigger shifts in the Pixel 10's launch. Alright guys, that's all for today's update. What do you think? Is Google hiding something? Or is this just a harmless reschedule? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.